Top 10 Natural Remedies for Dry Cough. Dry coughs are different from productive coughs, coughs in which you are coughing up phlegm or mucus. It is really painful and makes the throat dry and irritated, and it even damages the tissues. Dry coughing is usually caused by a viral infection of nose or throat, or inhalation of dust, smoke, or some allergens. Whatever the cause, one can opt for national home remedies for dry cough, and which are not only better but also tastes better than most of the cough medicines. For better and effective results, try these natural remedies at the first sign of dry coughs. Here are top 10 natural remedies for dry coughs. 1. Honey. Honey is a natural antibiotic and is considered as the best over-the-counter remedy for dry coughs. Due to its analgesic, antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, it is highly effective in relieving sore throat, reducing irritation and removing mucus. It kills germs that cause throat infection. 2. Raisins. Raisins are rich in natural sugars and relieve sore throat and heals dry cough. 3. Turmeric. There are several health benefits of turmeric. Curcumin, an active agent present in turmeric, provides it with antibacterial, antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties and helps in curing cough and cold caused by viral infections. 4. Ginger. Ginger is present in various cough drops because of its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes dry, sore and irritated throat and cleanses the respiratory system. 5. Garlic. Garlic has several health benefits due to its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, and which makes it as one of the most effective home remedy for dry cough. Garlic not only helps in curing dry coughs, it also boosts our immune system and helps fighting off infections that causes dry cough. 6. Salt water. Salt helps in reducing the inflammation of damaged tissues as well as pain caused by dry cough. 7. Raw onion. Raw onion blocks the compounds that are responsible for triggering cough reflex. It also helps in removing phlegm and cleansing the respiratory system. 8. Steam. Steam helps in reducing irritation by clearing your throat and nasal passages. It loosens the mucus and phlegm and heals dry coughs. 9. Oregano. Oregano helps in removing mucus and give relief from dry cough. Marjoram is a type of oregano which is generally used to cure dry cough. 10. Warm milk and honey. This combination is also an ideal way to treat dry coughs. Milk produces mucus that will help in lubricating the throat and respiratory system as well, and honey, because of its antibacterial property, will help in eliminating the infection-causing bacteria. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.